This brief demo will show the full capability of the Experience Index approach, specifically for the experience of a contact center employee. On this screen, you can see the end-to-end journey that we identified in our research with contact center employees. You can see this by journey phase or sub-experience. This begins with their onboarding experience and goes through customer interactions all the way through their career development. The next thing to notice is the circle on the line. This shows how far above or below the benchmark the employees have rated their employer for that particular sub-experience. The length of this line shows you the distance between the highest and lowest performing statements or aspects for that sub-experience. You can see these displayed if we hover over any of these bars, and you can also drill into this data for more information. So let's take a look at work environment. We can see here that employees have highlighted their staffing concerns. Now let's add a little more detail from our demographics and see what happens if we select the primary channel. We can see here that the issue is especially significant for those that handle social media channels. So we can go even deeper if we remove the other interaction types and focus solely on social media. Now we change demographic A from primary channel to the quarters. We can see that the staffing has actually gotten worse over time. So with this information, we can take a look at our Genesys Cloud CX usage, and we'll see that all other channel usage has gone down over this period, while the social channel interactions have continued to climb. You can see here the interaction types for Facebook have been especially popular. With this information and our customer, we would look at their staffing models for these different interaction types, their service targets, and other business KPIs, and then we can recommend some additional measures to help them improve their performance and avoid employee burnout. This encourages retention of their employees. Now, if we return to the Sub-Experiences tab, you'll notice that the career development scores are also very low. If we move over to the Develop screen, we can see that to grow my career, I know which skills I need to develop has been decreasing over the last several quarters. If we change from quarter to look at the employee titles, we can get a little more information and see that our customer service and technical support agents are really where we're having a problem here. Now, again, with this information in mind, we'll once again move to our Genesys Cloud CX data and review any possible features that might help with this that the customer may not be using. If we review their entitlements, we can see that some key features, like coaching and learning, are not yet enabled. Both of these could improve the employee experiences and ensure that they're well equipped to best help their customers.